Guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Steam overlay causes entire PC to freeze and black screen when you game, right? So what you need to do here is to just go on Steam on search, right click on it, open file location, then right click again, open file location as well. Then what you need to do here is to right click on Steam.exe, show more options, and then create shortcut, right? And then you should have a shortcut. When shortcut is created, just then show more options, properties, and then you should see target. Put space, and then you need to put this command dash disable dash overlay dash GPU dash pre, and then apply OK, and then launch the Steam through shortcut, and your issues should be solved with overlay freezing and black screens while you game. Right, so yeah, that's basically it. If I help you out, please press like and subscribe for more. Take care.